It will include Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, and Bitcoin Cash. All transactions are instant, and the application has 77 million users. Option 1. Capitalization of XRP will drop to $50 billion once the coin price drops to $1. Fans declared April 20th Doge Day on social media, with the aim of pushing the digital currency's value to $1. Welcome to the Coin Post. The Bitcoin drop has triggered a wave of altcoin sales, which has spread throughout the cryptocurrency market. News of the deterioration of the Bitcoin's operation prevents the price recovery, while critics of the proof-of-work algorithm are taking advantage of the moment to argue that it should be abandoned. I suggest that today we look at whether the hash rate fall can affect the price, give the price predictions, and pay special attention to the altcoins XRP and Dogecoin. These coins are fighting to become the top 4 cryptocurrency by market cap. And I want to remind you to subscribe to our YouTube channel to get the new updates first and make more money. Let's get into it. There's a lot of negativity in the media right now, so let's start with the good news. PayPal-owned Venmo will now let users buy and send crypto in amounts as little as $1. It will include Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, and Bitcoin Cash. All transactions are instant, and the application has 77 million users. Honestly, after such a story, Bitcoin must go to hit a new all-time high. I mean, 77 million potential new cryptocurrency users are no joke. Besides, they won't have a problem with transaction time, commission fees, etc. Experts have been arguing for some time that cryptocurrency should be as easy to use as possible. Like press one button and here we go. And it's a pity we can't do this without an intermediary like PayPal, but it's developing in this direction. Now onto some bad news. Bitcoin hash rate dropped to 98 exahashes per second, plummeting almost 40% within just a few days. This resulted in significant delays in processing transactions. The blocks were mined in longer than 10 minutes. And there was even a record low of 122 minutes per block. The average transaction fee soared to over $58, breaking the December 2017 record. It seems unpleasant for those who don't remember or don't know how the Bitcoin network works. But what you have to understand is that the hash rate dropped doesn't in any way threaten the safety of your Bitcoin funds. And the negative factors like extremely high commission fees and long transaction time are only temporary. There are 2 ways out of this situation. First, hash rate recovery. While the miners, who previously needed a pause due to unprofitability of their equipment, could also join in. I mean, the accident in China isn't permanent. The local miners are doing their best to get back to work. And the way out number 2, the Bitcoin network will adjust the complexity, that is, adjust to the current hash rate level to normalize the block time. We're gonna compare proof-of-work and proof-of-stake algorithms in the second part, when discussing altcoins. And now let's take a look at the price of Bitcoin. Yesterday we couldn't hold above 58,000, so the bulls led the price down and closed in on $56,000. Today the price is faced with a resistance at 56,500, where the 50-day MA is. But there will be another problem in the range of 59,000 to 60,000. It's where you find the previous upward trend line, the 21-day moving MA, and the psychologically important level that Bitcoin had spent a long time and on nerves on when breaking through the last time. But I've said it before and I'll repeat it again, that without good bull news, the market may have difficulty breaking through this resistance. But as of today, I'm not a Bitcoin skeptic, though there are more and more predictions for further price decline. Various analysts give levels of 51,000, and if it falls, the road will open to $42,000. And that's where the 21-week MA is, which is the most important support level. Bitcoin always bounces back from it when it's rising, whereas breaking through it symbolizes the beginning of crypto winter, the long-term bear market. Having said that, I expect the problems of the network to be solved very soon. the market will get some good news, and so the price of 51,000 will withstand the pressure of bears, and Bitcoin will return to growth. By the way, it's not financial advice, I'm just giving you my personal opinion on the price of Bitcoin. And you can share your price predictions in the comments, and don't forget to hit the like button. The more people see this video, the more support Bitcoin will get, and it won't drop. Dogecoin or XRP? Which one would you choose? It's shocking, and for a long time no one would have imagined it. But right now, as we're working on the video, these cryptocurrencies are fighting for the number 4 by market cap. Let's discuss how this could happen. Option 1, capitalization of XRP will drop to $50 billion once the coin price drops to $1. Since the previous local high, XRP has become 33% cheaper, and the next support level is at $1 considering the fall. It can happen if Bitcoin plummets again. I would also draw your attention that so far there's no good news on XRP that could start a new rally. Yes, there was an article in the Wall Street Journal that accused the American regulator of unreasonable claims and a threat to the entire crypto industry. Still, it's just the author's comments, and you need to understand that you could buy any kind of article on any topic, even in Wall Street Journal. It's only a matter of money. In addition, the Japanese crypto exchange Deterioration, which is called popular in the media, however it's the first time I hear this name, they say it resumed trading in XRP. This information was in a tweet by one of XRP supporters, and I specifically tried to Google the news when the exchange stopped trading in XRP, but I couldn't. Therefore, the XRP price follows Bitcoin's, and Dogecoin could take this opportunity. Fans declared April 20th Doge Day on social media, with the aim of pushing the digital currency's value to $1. If this happens, not only XRP, but also BNB will be left behind, and Dogecoin will become the top 3 cryptocurrency by market cap. There's a lot of criticism about Dogecoin. Even Cardano founder Charles Hoskinson said, and I quote, "Dogecoin has always been like an inside joke in our industry. But thanks to Elon Musk and market manipulation by clever whales, the price of the coin soared, increasing demand for the new market players. But let's be honest, this is just a bubble. Soon it will explode, and people will lose all of their money." I mean, technically he's right, but even a joke can have value, and Dogecoin proves it, especially if you remember that the coin was launched on proof of work algorithm, and its critics often forget 2 important things. Firstly, electricity is not only spent on mining cryptocurrency. Here's the chart where you can compare costs of electricity spent on Bitcoin mining, on gold, and banking system maintenance. I guess everything's pretty clear here. And secondly, proof of work is not only long, expensive, and noisy, it's also a generation of value because miners pay money for their work. This is what proof of stake doesn't have, where new money is simply printed like dollars on the Fed machine, and the ones who control it are the ones who have the most cryptocurrencies in their hands. You can come up with different kinds of consensus for proof of stake, but it's not gonna change. New coins are created from thin air, and by those who have the most of them. So how it's better than the fiat? Let's discuss it in the comments. To sum it up, Dogecoin may be a joke, but it's a fully functional blockchain that can make transactions without intermediaries, and you're the only one who has your coins. And only time will tell whether people's faith can make a joke into a valuable thing. But I wish they could succeed. How the situation between Dogecoin and XRP for the top 4 will evolve, you'll find out on our channel, so don't forget to subscribe. That's all I have, thanks for watching, it's the Coin Post channel. Subscribe and get enlightened.